What's going on, DFD? Welcome back. We are heading back up to Higgins Lake for some more sled adventures. I think Chase is going to do a little bit of ice fishing with Cole and maybe a few others, who knows. Got the sleds loaded up, or at least mine. I'm heading to work now, and then we're going to roll on up north. I believe Chase is heading up to the cabin now, go get that heated up. I think Cole might be with him, but yeah, we'll keep you guys posted.
We're about to go hit lunch, and then we're heading over to Houghton Lake. Got tip up town this weekend. We're here. We got Alex, we got Zane, we got Cole, we got Mike, we got Chase, we got Kyle, we got Carson behind the camera. You know, we're here. We're ready for it. We're gonna eat up the trails, go watch some ice races. Have a good weekend.
I stretched my sled up a little bit. Got the F5 out here. 570's having a little bit of issues, but we'll put those aside. At least we still got another sled as a backup. Other than that, ready to have some fun. 3 years to ride.
We over here. We at Angelo's on Old 27. Everyone's got the sleds. We got Houghton behind us. Stopping in, grabbing a quick snack on our way. We're heading to town. We're gonna go check the ice races out. Maybe do some racing ourselves. See what 850 is the fastest. See if they want to run again. The Black Beauty over there. Check her out. Check her out. I think the old F5. Other than that, though, you know, Chase started off the morning by his DIY 2004 rev chassis bars. Other than that, though, you know, we're just hanging along. You know, it's a good old time. It's beautiful weather outside. We got good snow.
He got these fuckers for $10.
Other than that, you know, we're just chilling, getting it done. Gonna enjoy the time, see where the night takes us.
Here comes Cameron and Alex.
They're gonna be mixed up with him.
F5 versus F5.
Badass.
What are we thinking, Chase?
I think these Arctic Cat guys really think they're it. They're not it. They're just lucky that we're not in some deep snow. You know, it's
How's your sled running?
pretty good. It probably needs another belt, if we're gonna be honest here. Yeah, other than that, not made for this at all. That country's like deep snow. This is 2 inches on top of ice. But I don't know, how's your sled running, Carson?
I don't know, it ain't too bad.
Not too bad. Got a little
Definitely not
trail
made for
snow.
this condition, because a 2-inch paddle with no studs.
No, this is where Mach Z comes in.
Yeah.
This is where you want race sled. Like MXZ, Mach Z, Indy.
This is where those SRXs come in handy.
Yeah.
These things fly out here.
Yeah. We're having fun though. Tip up town, 2025.
Beautiful out too.
Great day.
Sun shining.
Not too cold, just cold enough to keep the snow from melting. Sleds are running good, staying cold, staying under 130.
I think Alex got them.
We made it. We're at the ice races. We're checking it out.
Oh my god.
We're watching to see what the F5 wants to fuck up later on. We got Chase, Mikey, Zane.
Got a
Everyone
few
made it.
additional members.
Yeah, we're keeping it together. We're gonna see where the night takes us. Now give me some beer. I can put some in.
Fine though. Hey, Mikey.
What did you do? I'm good. What'd you do?
I don't know.
I just remember going in the air, and the next thing you know, I'm rolling down the ice.
But he hit a pressure crack doing 80 miles an hour and flipped the sled.
Off to Gaylord, possibly. Maybe just ride around the lake.
I doubt Gaylord. We'll probably make it up to Frederick. We might go skim the guys out on fucking Higgins.
Jason and the boys are out there fishing. Cole, you know, he's
A bunch of snow come out here and pretty much got more snow on the ground. It's pretty much gonna make the trails a little better for us.
Yeah, we got an inch of fresh pow. We couldn't see going to Taco Bell and Grayling.
Carson. What the fuck do we got going on right now?
I don't even know where the fuck we're at.
Mike, what do you got to say?
Just follow the fucking poles. That was awful. On the way there or the way back. Dude, we couldn't see the last 15 minutes of our ride coming back from
That was bad.
Town.
That was bad.
That was
Tip
really
of
bad.
Town 2025 was a success. Watched some ice races. Hit some gnarly breaks in the ice.
Yeah.
No, it's not brakes.
It's a pressure break, isn't it?
Cole hit a gnarly pressure crack in the ice, and that's where the ice obviously cracks from the pressure and then and it pushes up against itself and it builds like basically an ice wall that was like a foot high, and he hit it doing 95 and launched 8 foot up in the air. And then the sled barrel rolled about 4 to 5 times, and he was rolling next to it, and the sled took off. It kept going. Thankfully, it was only doing about 20. So Chase went up to go stop it, fell off his sled, rolled on the ground. That was quite funny. So then I had to go up, and the kill switch had broke off, so I had to actually grab the key and shut it off that way.
And blue belt for the F5.
Yep, camera blew belt.
Man, you learn new things about this thing every day when it sits in the trailer all year round.
Cool part is about this F5 over here, the 570's got issues right now. Obviously, I ruined one of the skis on my 570, so Dad said to use the F5. This thing's been a trusty machine this whole weekend. We're gonna keep it going.
Heck yeah. We're out here, fucking beautiful powder on the ground. The boys are having a blast. We hit the hill climbs. My sled's acting a little goofy. I think the track needs to be adjusted. It's slipping a little bit. I did get a new helmet finally with a heated visor on it, so doing a lot better there.